everybody, how are you doing? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a song art or an album art design in 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is to open my Photoshop, which is already open. So if yours is not open, you can go ahead and open your Photoshop. So let's create a new file. I'm going to be using the size 1080 by 1350, and I'm going to have this in the portrait format, 1080 pixels by 1350. With my resolution at 350, I'm going to be putting this in a portrait format. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so how to make this very simple is in 2 steps actually. The first step is you must have a very good picture to work with. So right now I'm going to drag in 2 pictures into my Photoshop, and I'm going to decide which one I'll be using to create this design. So this is the first picture and this is the second picture. And I kind of think I like the second picture because um it brought out this artist. The name of the artist is Anye Dons. He's a Nigerian artist. So it kind of brought out an emotional expression for me, which I think I like. So I'm going to use this picture. So, like I said, this is going to be very quick and fast. So the first principle is to work on the picture. So let's get to work on the picture. So I open my camera raw filter, and this will enable me work on the picture. Once I'm done working on the picture, the next steps are very easy. So basic, I would increase the contrast of my picture a bit, then go the haze just a bit of it, then increase the saturation just a little bit, and get to my details, increase the sharpen so that my picture can have a very good effect. Then I'll get to my effects and increase the grain of the picture, and then I'm done. Okay, with these simple effects, now the next thing I'm going to do, because I already created this flyer before, let me show you. I created this flyer. Let me show you. Um, mm, where did I save it right now? Okay. Uh, where did I save it? Where did I save it? Okay, I think I saved it here. That should be right. Oh, that's it. Okay, so I drag and I bring in. So this was what I created before. So we're trying to recreate this, all right? So we're going to recreate this. Okay, so let me increase the size a bit to match the initial one there. And if you look at this picture, you would notice that I didn't really do much work. Or the only thing I did was work on the pictures, then add some text, and that was it. So we're doing exactly the same thing. Okay, so let's continue. All right, with this, I will just create a new layer, and then I'm going to add some dark shades on this new layer just so that our text can pop out. All right, and that's it. So I go to my text. Um, the name of this song is Ordinofo. That's the name of the song. All right. So I choose the font I want to use. Don't forget, choosing font is the um one of the most creative things to do in design. All right. So Odnafo, and I change this color to white. Then I reduce the distance between them. Okay, that's fine. Then make it extra bold. I don't know for. Then I drop this here. Right, so let's put this now be on top. Okay, get this offer down here. Yeah, that's much better. Then let's give it a little more bit of spacing and good. Okay, so that's enough for here. All right, so the next thing is I want to write my now out. So I'm going to write now and out. Okay, I'm going to change the position of this. I'm going to give it a center margin position. Then I'm going to increase my font size, put this on automatic and increase my font size and reduce the space, let it come up and we're good. Okay, I can still increase it a bit. Let it just cover out. And then I'm going to choose a blending option, which I always prefer to use overlay. All right, for this kind of project. So I reduce my fill a bit and let me reduce the size just a little bit, a little bit more and bring it down here. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer and then create another duplicate of it and drag this to be here. Now out. And I'm going to bring this guy on top. Okay, then I'm going to write the artist name. I'm going to write the artist name using a different font. So let's write it Annie Dons. Okay, and reduce the size. And then I'm going to change the font to a much sleek font. Okay, Annie Dons. And change the color to probably a better color that will bring out the words. And then I'm going to centralize the two fonts and then possibly add a little more shade here and here and a little more here. And there you go. We have a very simple album art cover.